Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Realtek audio driver for Windows 11, which is also compatible with Windows 10. Open your favorite browser and type Realtek audio driver Windows 11 Intel in the search bar. Hit enter and look for the official Intel website link for the Realtek high definition audio driver for Windows 10 and 11. Click on the download link and accept the terms. And then the download should start automatically. If not, you can click on download manually. Once downloaded, locate the file in your download folder and double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After it is successfully installed, restart your computer if prompt. And congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Realtek audio driver for Windows 11 and 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.